Okay, Sunant and Raji. Here you wanted photo of parents' room and especially the picture of the side table. Sunny, these are the tables, side tables which we have brought from Western Height. This is on the right side of the bed. Towards this is on the left from the front. It is a left, and on the sleeping mode it is on the right side. Left side is the curtain. This is a side table. You can see, and this is the this is a two drawers. This is the first drawer. And this is a second drawer. This is
यार मेरे को फोटो नहीं आ रही है भाई.
I am not able to take correct photo. This is the top drawer and this is a lower one. This is a lower portion and this is the upper portion. So you can see from here it is adjusted properly, no problem. It is its color matches with the bed color. This is the left side on the side table. Press is lying, and this is the same first portion. This is the first portion, and this is a second portion. This is it got little defect.
देखिए there is some defect in this.
है भाई? There is a little defect. It when we push outside, it gets stuck with the. I think it is a sticker inside. So this is the side table. One, and this is two pillow, bed sheet, pink color, and this is the other side table. One portion. This is one portion, and below this is another. This is the first portion, and this is a second portion. Okay. So this is curtain, and this is a TV. Below it is a TV box. We have to kept a dish box over here. This is what Sanant wanted, photo of the side table. Okay, Sanant, are you happy now? Now I'm going to the this in the gallery part, the top lights were fused. हाँ no once yeah ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਬਲਬ ਲਾਏ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਾ ਆਏ ਸੀਗੇ
ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ
ਦਾਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਲਬ ਸੀ
ਉਹ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ these bulbs were fused, so we brought glue and put it in here. Okay, and other thing, the defect which Mr. Ajay is coming, and we are going to put stress on that. It is the basically it's a this glass. It is a glass on the top. You can see from the top portion here. Okay, this piece is broken down. It's a broken down. When I went inside the bathroom, I was stuck inside. I called Mrs. Chima, your mummy, she did not come. I got a little anger, so I pushed from inside, and a small piece chip had come down, which is kept in this thing. Now it is required to be stuck. Now we see this is one plywood, just a simple very small, not thick. It is a very delicate ply of 1 mm some, I think. It was placed on the door, and on that ply it was fixed. Glass was fixed on 4 nails. This one, the other is a 2 nail, this one, and now you see down. You can see down. You can see this is a nail. In the fourth, this one, and the left side, this is a one. Now on the base of these 4 nails, the glass is stuck with this thing. So whenever we go inside and whenever it gets stuck, it's likely to come out. Anytime it can come out and fall down and break. यार I would have worn knicker. Oh, मेरा glass पूरी फोटो आ रही है underwear. No problem. Okay, so we plan here to take it out, the glass and the plywood, the ply sheet from here, and this is not correctly fixed. It should be. Now we look to the master bedroom inside when we come from the master bedroom, and here we are facing to the master bedroom. Now right side we plan to we plan to fix it here. Come, right side ke left side? Hello? Where you want to fix, right or left? Right. Okay. Your mummy is telling that when we come out from the master bedroom or when we are coming from the living area, entering the master bedroom, there is a place on the right side. Not immediately on the right side, little ahead, where you can see from sitting from the bed. So one can see here, lying on the bed, the glass should be fixed over here, right side, here, so that one can see the uniform.
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਵਿੱਚ
What? Gallery?
ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਬਾਹਰ
What do you mean by this? No.
ਸੰਤ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ
Okay.
ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ
No. That's agree. No. We are not fixing. We are fixing here from where we are coming from the bed, and we can see from here from the bed only straight way. Now I want no, not on front. We are looking for fixing the right side. We can see while going or coming and see our pagdi is stuck. We can see our belt. We can see our clothes, how these look. And this is the place. This is the best place. We'll take their Ajay advice. The other place is the front. Is the front door. But I don't think front door will be okay. Here they are going to place some sofa, some chair.
ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਅੰਦਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਕਿਚਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਈਡ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਬੈਡਰੂਮ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ
Yes. If you say we can fix here in the front from where mummy is standing and showing. This is the wall. This is the front. This is the front of the wall, parallel to the TV. TV is left side. TV is left side.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਰੂਮ ਡਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਰੂਮ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਾਂ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਰੂਮ ਚ ਕੌਣ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ
TV is left side, and on the same wall with the right extreme right, from where the door is open to the gallery, we can fix here. Okay, or there are two places. Now you can decide. Here also the glass. If we fix glass here where your mummy says, you can see from immediately when you enter the house. From the door when you enter the house.
If you are sitting on the bed, you can see.
You can see the glass when you enter the house. Number one. Number two, you can see the glass when you're sitting lying on the bed.
Not the glass. So you can see from the glass what is going on there in the living area.
Yes. Lying on the bed, if you see towards glass, you can see the picture. If anyone is coming from the main door, that's entrance of the house. So lying bed, even you can see what Aya is doing inside the living room. I think her photo will also come. So this is the one place you have to select. Tell Raji and you where you want to fix the glass. We are likely to uproot the glass from there and fix. Hope you understand. You understood? And these are the measurement which sand people had sent it to the master, who said the clothes is okay, but he has not stitched properly. The hanger is not good one. That's what he objected. So these are two places. You have to decide and send us your views. You want near the master bedroom, right side of the gallery, or you want in front of the wall and on the parallel of the TV. So right side will be looking glass, the left side will be TV. What you say? Your mummy is telling, I am now standing near the door of the master bedroom, and right side, when I go right side is the master bedroom, and front is आप गल करो ही सिटिंग कैनेडा गल करो and it is front is the from where we want to. Who is that? They called yesterday.
अच्छा आ भी गए ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਹ
Okay.
ਅੱਛਾ
Your mummy is
ਡੈਡੀ ਭਰਾਂਡੇ ਨੇ
your mummy is sitting and the telephone you came when you came back from Canada.
ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀ ਬੜਾ
Your mummy is sitting and talking to you. I have shown you the place. I am sitting in the office area and where this
ਉਹ ਬਣਾ ਦੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ
where the photo is going straight from here. We want the glass to be stuck there. Last end. You can see from here, okay? And nothing more. I will send you this thing, and we want to see your.
Computer से सिमरन करेगी?
What? No, here is the.
वो webcam है नहीं साढ़े को ना?
It is in Punjab. We should have brought from Punjab.
ऐसे से है नहीं सीगा वो साढ़े वाला से पटियाले से ज़्यादा ही नहीं। कौन जाएंगे डैडी तो ले आएंगे और वो सालों तो पता ही नहीं सी कि इतने है नहीं करते वो तो बाद दिमाग से नहीं आया।
Yes, we can bring. This is time now. This is time now 8.
हाँ
8:20.
हाँ नहीं ये लैपटॉप ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਨਿਊ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ 200 ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ
See, your mummy is always play card. ताश खेलती है देखो.
जाना डैडी ने शायद सिटी जाना तो फिर उसको पटियाले वाला ले आवांगे.
It's mommy's computer.
ऐसे हम तो आजी वेट कर रहे कदों आओ तुझे जल्दी.
And people are coming here for rent. They are asking for the rent this house.
हाँ. सारे डैडी ने वो तो आजे आके लग के वो रेंट दे वास्ते आ जितना सील कर दा भी वो फोन ही आने शुरू हो गया. नहीं रेंट भी ना लियावांगे करांगे रेंट से पूछा स्क्वायर फुट ही पूछ रहे थे कितना स्क्वायर फुट है कितना है इतना रहेगा इतना पास देना है because जान के जरूरी पर भी ऐड किया क्योंकि ये चीज को हमें
This is a kitchen. This is a whiskey bottle. (8 p.m. and this is a rum Cantisa. It's finished. I consume one bottle of rum in 1 month, 750. Your 3 bottles are lying as it is. I don't know why you send the more costly liquor from there. It's just wastage of. It's lying here since last 3-4 years. I have plenty of liquor. Every almara is filled. These are the bottles. This is my bar. We don't want open bar. We Indian people should always hide the drinks. Keeping bottles outside doesn't give a good. See here. Oh my Almara. Again. See the bottles lying. Your foreign whiskey is also lying here. 3 bottles which Mr. Ravi sent here is lying as it is. ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਭੇਜਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ? Do you want any other photo? No? I should close?
ਜਿੱਦੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪੇ ਕਰਵਾ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਨੇ
क्या यार हिंदी क्लास हाँ ओके ओके बाय आई विल सेंड यू फोटो
लिखना पढ़ना जानते हैं